Bullish Nucypher cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 74 cents and $1.41 by 2030. Market investigators accept Nu could reach 58 cents by 2025. Bearish Nucypher market cost expectation for 2023 is 13 cents. Nucypher presentation. Nucypher's encryption administrations depend on various cryptographic conventions that together give mysteries the executives for blockchain applications. The stage can be utilized to progressively get to delicate information on open organizations while keeping the information secret. The Nucypher stage utilizes various cryptographic instruments and strategies to give security to blockchain applications. The stage gives an approach to safely divide information among gatherings and control admittance to information utilizing consents. Nucypher likewise offers a decentralized key administration framework, which makes it conceivable to store and oversee keys in a dispersed way. What is Nucypher? Nucypher hubs. The Nucypher stage's organization hubs are liable for putting away and circulating information across the organization. As a trade-off for their administrations, hubs procure prizes as the ERC20 Nu token. To guarantee pure intentions among hub administrators, a base stock of Nucypher Nu tokens should be marked. Advantages of the Nucypher stage. The advantages of the Nucypher stage relate straightforwardly to its security component. All information is scrambled before it even arrives at the organization, implying that would-be assailants wouldn't have the option to get a handle on any caught data. Moreover, in light of the fact that information is conveyed across various hubs, there is no weak link that could prompt a horrendous framework-wide break. Nucypher highlights these elements make Nucypher an appealing suggestion for endeavors who wish to store delicate information on a blockchain without settling on security. With its accentuation on protection and decentralization, Nucypher likewise has expected applications in fields like medical services and money. Nucypher is a task that gives cryptographic devices to empower security-saving, decentralized frameworks. The venture has been a work in progress beginning around 2017, and the Nu token was delivered in October 2020. From that point forward, the undertaking has accumulated consideration from the crypto local area and got positive surveys. Nucypher current cost. Nucypher is as of now worth 16 cents USD. Nu has moved 5.39% as of now with an exchanging volume of $28,768,594. Nucypher is as of now positioned 192 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $118,592,344 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Nucypher to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Nucypher market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Nucypher Value Forecast 2023. Nucypher, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The new cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 24 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 23 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Nu is supposed to have a base worth of 19 cents. Nucypher Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Nucypher Nu cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nu will before long outperform 41 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Nu's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Nu will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 33 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 36 cents. Nucypher Value Expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 58 cents and Nu might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Nu is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 53 cents and a low of 49 cents in 2025. Nucypher Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Nucypher effectively helps market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the Nu coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nu will be green in 2026. The Nu is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 74 cents, with a base cost of 66 cents and a typical cost of 69 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2027. After some broad watching and specialized investigation, we gauge the Nu cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 86 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 83 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Nu has a greatest value worth of 91 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.03. In the event that Nu figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.08. Neglecting to accumulate the help Nu needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 99 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2029. While Nu is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.16 and a yearly cost close above $1.25 in 2029. Nucypher Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Nucypher will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.33 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.41, averaging out at $1.36. Nucypher Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest new cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.63 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.56. And Nucypher is a decentralized administration framework based on Ethereum. It permits clients to share encoded information and control who approaches it. Nucypher likewise offers various different highlights, including the capacity to make subkeys, which can be utilized to give various degrees of admittance to various individuals, and denial, which permits you to disavow somebody's admittance to your information assuming they lose their key, or on the other hand, in the event that you never again believe that they should approach. What is the Nucypher cost today? Today, Nucypher is exchanging at 16 cents with a complete market capitalization of $118,592,344. Is Nucypher a wise speculation? Nucypher ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that Nu is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Nucypher at any point go? The typical cost of Nucypher might perhaps reach 23 cents this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Nucypher might outperform $1.08. What amount will Nucypher be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising prominence of cryptographic money and Nucypher, a drawn-out interest in Nu could see the value ascend to $1.08 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Nucypher be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Nucypher today, similarly as with any speculation, a